Hello guys, welcome to the new video. Today, we're unboxing the Casio watch model MRW-200H-1EVDF. Let's get started. This is a sports watch that offers reliability and functionality. It uses a quartz mechanism that ensures precise timekeeping. The watch is made of durable materials, including a sturdy plastic case and strap, making it resistant to everyday impacts and wear. The glass is made of plastic and has a rotating bezel. It is water-resistant up to 100 meters, making it ideal for swimming. It features a day and date function. The case width is 44 millimeters, and the watch weighs 39 grams. The battery lasts approximately around 3 years. The combination of these colors looks nice. What do you think? Do you like this watch? The biggest advantage of this watch is that it's affordable, durable, and waterproof. That's why I love Casio watches. Let's see how it looks in the dark. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments.